One second.
Oh, yaar,
Hey guys.
Yeah. Hello guys, nice to see you. So we're going to go live with all the Karnataka officers. Ivatu from Labasna. We're coming live from Labasna. So I've already sent a request to Lakshmi Nagappan, which she should accept. Okay, I'm just going to send one to Akash. Okay, Akash. Akash, IS. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಶ್ವಿಜಾ sorry guys, we're just having a logistical difficulty at this point. Everybody is right here, but we're trying to add everyone together. Okay, just give us a second. Lakshmi, did you add yourself? See, you have to go to that
See,
yeah,
go.
wait, I've just added Lakshmi.
Send a request with
Oh, you just request to add yourself on my video. Prakash, okay, you're coming.
I don't know.
Wait.
I'm here.
Okay, you're here. You're on it.
I'm here, yeah.
Okay, hold on, guys. Ellie. Yes, sir. You send me a request, Lakshmi. You also send me a request. Wait, you have to first.
Hi. How are you? This is Akash.
It's pretty bad over here, is it? You send me a request.
People are saying hi. Come on with your questions now.
How many people? We're supposed to add more people. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, you join with Akash. Better. Okay, hey, you come here. Hey, Nalin, okay, guys, we're having a difficulty adding people.
So Lakshmi, say hi.
Hi.
Yes, Lakshmi.
Hold on. We're getting Akash and Ashwija right here.
It's 78.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is the academy, sir. Someone asked me how's the academy. Academy is very chill. They're keeping us very busy.
So we'll go back
Activities
because I think it's
and they're
echoing.
really enjoying it.
We'll go back.
So let's hear from Lakshmi also.
Yes, so we'll just go back to that. Hold on.
What questions do you want? What can we answer for you all?
So how was the academy?
Okay. Come. Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Keep it this way.
That's right. No, but I think we'll be on two different frames. Yes, there we go. Mama, come.
Hi everyone.
I'm unable to hear. Remove the hand keys.
Remove the hand keys. No, it's on top. That's okay.
They prepare my history.
Guys, we're trying to do the best that we can with the limited resource that we've got over here. I mean, we're together, so it might echo a little bit, but we're here to answer all your questions. And with us today, we have our very own Girish Kalangod from the Indian Railway Traffic Service. We have Nivedita from the Indian Railway Traffic Service. We've got Ashwija over here from the Indian Administrative Service.
Hi.
And we've got your very own Rohan Jagdish from the Indian Police Service.
We can do it. They went out.
Guys, Rohan, there are questions. Please answer them.
Oh, yeah, I will surely answer your questions. Lakshmi Nagappa, man, I sent you a friend request. Please accept it. Lakshmi ma'am, accept this friend request.
So we have given her the message.
We'll
You
give
got
her the
it.
message, guys. She'll
Yes,
accept
sir.
your friend request.
So don't
The
make
main
the exam
exam
need better handwriting.
Hi, Ashwiji Akka.
I don't think handwriting makes a difference as long as
Vilta,
it's
can you answer that?
legible.
Yeah.
So that you got an answer. Okay, they love us team members. Hello everyone.
Guys, 1 minute, hold on. Akash, Lakshmi, hold on. I suggest one thing.
Yeah.
Hey, here's my Lavasna blazer. You can see the 94th FC
Yeah.
here. I think you'll find it very exciting. You know, we get something like this. So you guys will also have it very soon. So work hard to get this.
And you can do it,
Yes,
okay?
Yes.
It's not an impossible thing. When we all have cleared, so even you people also can do it.
Show them some.
Ashrisha madam, please accept the question.
I think this is happening everywhere.
Next,
Please say one by one.
Serious questions, guys.
Since turn, I go sit over there also.
My friend.
Hey, talk.
Okay. Just take it. How much time should we watch movie?
You've got to check out this flask. It comes with a logo too. Yeah. More motivation, guys. I mean, just check this out, okay? Official logo. Hey, ಎಲ್ರು ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಂಜು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
So book list, can you share?
Book list, we have many basic NCERT books. So 6 to 12 standard is everyone tells. You want to tell? You want to tell something?
No, I'm trying to do the questions. Guys, take up a question.
Long
Yeah.
Take,
To start the preparation. So it depends on you. Like, if you really want to take up, you can start as early as 11th and 12th standard. We have people who start from 11th and 12th. So it's quite comfortable if you even start during your degree.
Okay, next.
So how is-
Next.
So Akash, your voice we can't hear. Akash, be audible. They can't hear you.
I think you guys have to pull the camera down, Ashwija.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
they can see you properly. Like,
Is okay?
No, put it down.
That's not working. Okay, please try it again.
No, cancel. Sir, come.
Yeah.
what are the questions?
Rohan, do you remember him?
Please for prelims 2020.
I think from December, if you're the first timer, you can start from
Yeah. At least from January 2020. Please start it from there. The big question: how can I improve on my performance in all subjects?
I think the thing is, you should concentrate equally on each of the subjects and not overly focus on one subject particularly. So you can't exactly say what is going to be tested. Because the geography is not so you have to go. In mains, it was extensively asked. So, you have to go equally with everything.
And plan properly, plan strategically. Like how he said, give equal importance to all subjects and plan accordingly and stick to the plan.
So nobody is here is from Kannada optional.
Which question is next? What is the next question?
Is Hindi compulsory for UPSC Jerry? Absolutely not.
No.
None of us know Hindi.
No.
ज़्यादा नहीं.
Can you prepare for exam? I'm a beginner.
Writing.
Writing tips.
Guys, I have shared my political science link in this chat box.
So you can find the political science related materials which the Girish has saved. So it's sent on the.
The Girish.
Yes, the Girish.
The Girish.
We have Rohan, Girish, and
Kannada optional. We don't have people here from Kannada, but we'll get one soon.
ನಮಗೂ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
So voice is not proper.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಪ್ಪ.
How was the interview?
Public administration book test for that.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅಕ್ಕ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Lakshmaka.
Actually having fun there.
History, book.
Ma'am is keeping just NCERT as base. Okay now.
Yeah.
Lakshmi, 2 lines to prepare for anthropology.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಆಂಥ್ರೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಂಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ, ನನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ನೋಟ್ಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ it needs 3 to 4 months of consistent preparation ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 360 ಅಲ್ಲ 400 ದಾಟಬಹುದು. ಸೊ
ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಯಾ ಸೊ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಕ್ಕ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿನೇ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
Yes, exactly. Okay, next Ashwita will answer your question.
So BTech second year now, I'm still confused what to read, from where to prepare.
English please.
Okay, if you are in second year, so you can start off. You still have 2 more years. So start off with NCERTs. That's what everyone does, and start reading newspaper. So just read headlines in the beginning, and once you're comfortable with newspaper, you can go in depth. Then yes, try to watch news channel. Try to get to know the headlines, what's going on, and yes, start from NCERTs. Then by third year, by 7th sem, you can take up your main subjects.
Answer right. Okay, I'll go next.
Next.
So answer writing is basically prepare 2 things. One is your information, the other is your wisdom. Always you make sure that ultimately your wisdom will answer very better. Because
Because of some network issue.
I just got it. You can't prepare for each and every topic.
Yeah, Nivedita. Nivedita.
You'll have to have
Hey, Nivedita. Tell Akash after his, I will give one suggestion.
So believe in your wisdom and then information. Okay? That's my tip. For
Akash, one more thing.
Yeah.
Guys, you have to practice at least 5 to 10 minutes of daily writing. You may write on any issues.
Yes.
It will definitely help your writing skills. You make sure that you write on any random topics from today itself, at least 10 minutes before going to the sleep. It will unconsciously increase your writing ability, your vocabulary, your flow, way of expression. Everything will be automatically improved, and you will see this development at least 20-25 days after.
Yes, I'm back. Yes, that's true. You can start writing your diary also. It could be about anything. If you have watched a movie, you can write about a movie. Or if you have watched some serial or some live show, reality show, you can write about anything in your book. The first thing you have to do is make a hand to move, because we haven't used a hand for such long time. So you have to start holding a pen and start writing lines. So that's your first step.
Yes, she's got exactly things on point. You've got to keep focused writing, and answer writing is a skill which you develop over time. There's no shortcut to success, as we've all known it. I have failed prelims twice. I succeeded in my 3rd attempt. Girish in his 4th attempt. Ashwija in her 2nd or 3rd attempt. Lakshmi in her 3rd attempt. And Akash, of course, has been a serious veteran in this game. And yeah, Akash is is been there since Sir M. Vishweshwaraya built the dam.
We're not getting questions.
Oh,
You can see.
Right. So anyway, no. Akash has been at it for 4 attempts. His journey is very inspirational, and I think each of you all deserves
Where
to
is
know
Rahul sir? Rahul
what
sir is actually right
he
now
needs
he's
to
not
do.
with us.
Rahul has gone for having his dinner now.
Yeah. Is coaching necessary was the question.
Let Rohan sir speak. Hey guys, I think these guys have more
Interested
to
in it.
share with you guys. I will be honest with you, okay? See, I'll tell you some great things about this batch, okay? I'll tell you. See, one is we have Lakshmi, okay? Highest in anthropology in India ever.
Yes,
So
in the history.
she got 362. Okay. The second thing that you need to know is we have Akash, highest in interview in Karnataka in the year 2018. So he got 204. Okay.
Yes.
Then we have Girish Kalangod. Okay, this guy. So I'm just an average guy in political science, but this man has got 312. Okay. And then, of course, we have Nivedita, who's the only person that we know till date who has successfully done psychology with flying colors. And then, of course, me and Ashwaja are the two left out quadrants in this entire group who are just there to motivate everybody else.
Yes,
so that's right.
Hold it.
Okay.
No, yes. Got pause.
Rohan.
It got pause.
He talked about himself. He said everything about us. So Rohan is the most energetic, the most optimistic, positive person I've ever seen. And I think more than half, I think 90% of his success he should owe to his own energy, basically. More than
Energy?
His preparation, his strategy, and knowledge and everything he has. The energy,
Akash,
basically.
Akash attitude, Rohan's attitude, that must be highlighted.
Yeah, exactly.
He's
Exams.
And the beginners who are asking how to start preparation, start with that attitude.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, guys, you guys just stole my heart. I love you guys. Yeah, I think anything keep it this way because I think it's much better to see.
Yeah, this is better.
This is much better.
So yeah, you want to show the ID cards.
Yeah. So Ashwaja is going to show you her ID card.
So this is what you get when you come to Lovers now.
Oh, yeah. Lakshmi is also going to show her ID card now. Come on.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah, that's the ID card. The ID card that you all attempt to have at one point of time, and you all will be definitely dreaming to have one day. And this academy is amazing. But before that, before coming to this academy, dreaming about the golden days in the academy, have your preparation days. See, we missed that preparation days now. We were chilling out, we were studying, nothing to further, and it's a very good phase. And after that, having cleared the phase, we are enjoying this new phase in a different manner. So, as you're preparing now, the preparation phase itself is very chill, is very good, basically, for all of you. And please do enjoy that. And then you come here, naturally, invariably you will enjoy here also. What's it? So, right.
Yeah. So I think somebody asked you whether you can manage here without Hindi. You can, of course, manage without Hindi. Okay. The only thing is you will end up learning Hindi because we came here not knowing much Hindi. But यहाँ आने के बाद हम लोग बहुत अच्छे हिंदी सीख लिया. मतलब शायद हाँ.
The language are not good in Hindi.
So we're making good friends and we're learning Hindi.
Is Hindi compulsory to learn?
Hey, dudes, don't give importance to the rumors. Until unless it is revealed by UPSC in its own notification, don't believe in anything, irrespective of who says that.
How to be consistent? Yes, this is the one problem which everyone faces.
ನಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಲಾಭ.
Yeah, you guys are definitely gonna rock, man. How do, like, if you think something is difficult in life, right, it's always going to be difficult. Yeah, you just have to think it's achievable, okay? So there's a fantastic story that I read, okay? So there's Tenzin Norgay and Edmund Hillary that climbed the Everest, okay? So when Edmund Hillary climbed it for the first time, she couldn't reach the peak. And then she said that,
John, you're not able to see you properly.
You're not able to see us? What about now?
A little more.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so that's the thing, man. I mean, you've got to keep it going, okay? Because at the end of the day, what's important is you've got to have an identity, you've got to have yourself an image, and you need to be something of your own, okay? You can't be something like, my dad's made this much, my mom's made this much, I have this big house, this big car, and you cannot settle for it. Because when you achieve something like this, right, you are your person.
And also answer to the question, why do you want to be a civil servant? It will keep you motivated constantly throughout your journey.
Yeah, and also, you've got to look at people like Girish, okay? So I have visited Girish's house, okay? So he comes from a very humble background, very, very humble background from a small, village in Ballari district, okay? From Bijapur district, okay? Oh, I've stayed in his house. Okay, I've stayed in his house, and they don't have a proper bed to sleep on. So now this guy, coming from a rural background, okay, has learned English and has achieved this exam. So if he can do it, I think any of us can. I think our achievement is not as big as Girish's achievement. So I think he should be an ideal role model for all of you guys.
Nothing like that, guys. He's just,
And yes, the number of hours, see, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. And this exam has to be crafted according to your personality. So know about yourself, if you're a morning person or a night person, if you can study in the morning or you can study in the night. And it's like few people can study continuously for 1 hour and few people can study for 2 to 3 hours. So know yourself, know about yourself, take breaks, so plan accordingly. So one approach doesn't fit for everyone here. It has to be according to your own personality.
What's your name in the red shirt? My name is Rohan Jagdish. Yeah.
Which optional is easy?
there is nothing easy and nothing tough. Every optional has its own equal weightages.
Yes.
So you choose your optional based on your interest. It should not be influenced by any other thing. Interest is the only criteria to choose your optional, and then look at your previous year question papers. You will get an idea what kind of questions are being asked on a yearly basis. So look at the syllabus, identify your interest, and then choose the optional.
Botany optional, right now we don't have anyone. Botany
Stats.
optional.
Hey, Bandra.
ಬಾರೋ ಮಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ
It improves your
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಹನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Newspaper. Then apart from that, Vision magazine, Vision M365 and M365 is enough. So even if a lot of people around you are doing a lot of newspapers or doing a lot of current affairs booklets, do not worry about it, because the questions in the UPSC, though it wouldn't be direct, you will have to answer the background knowledge already. So don't read a lot. And revise Hi everyone. So for the essay, I have try to start an open mind particular preparation as such. So you just for the any other questions, sir?
Hey Akash, you just hold on. Hey Akash, Rohan.
Yes.
Hi guys.
For next 2 days, we will conduct the live stream with better logistical facility. No promises.
We'll come again.
We'll come again with better logistical facility. That's it. Yeah, I also apologize. Like, sorry guys, today we do not manage logistics. And then,
Sorry guys, right now I think we have few problems here. So
guys, we'll come again with better, logistical facilities.
facilities.
Better internet connectivity.
Yeah, also, I guess.
So,
Is coaching necessary?
it was nice talking to you all, giving our input about exams and our experiences, sharing our experiences in the academy. So it was nice talking to you all, and long time soon again. Definitely. So, signing off. Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night guys, surely we'll get back to you all. Yes, we are getting many questions here right now.
We'll come back. tomorrow.
So we'll come back, and yes, we are reporting from Lavasna, Mussoorie, a dream place for every UPSC aspirant. And so we wish you all to be here.
Have a happy journey all. Good night.
All the best. Good night.